Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. I'm making what I'm calling the desert fall necklace. So I'm using some gemstones from Dakota Stones and a gold tone Nunn Design open frame pendant that's in a circle shape and some Moroccan Saturn chain, and I have a foot of it. I'm going to select some of the beads, and I tried to pick some colors that are pretty much native to Arizona this time of year, which is where I live. And I'm wire wrapping them directly onto the frame with head pins. And one thing you need to be aware of is when you wrap them on, you don't want them to be too tight because you want some movement. So I'm wire wrapping them on and testing them for the dangle effect. Do they dangle the way that I want them to? If so, I leave them. If not, I may try again. But the shape of this pendant won't let those little wire wrapped pieces come off or fly around too much because the pendant ends are wider than the center. So I like the way that looks. They dangle nicely. And so I'm going to take my chain and I'm going to attach it directly to the pendant with some jump rings. I believe I used 4mm jump rings to attach them. And I only have a foot of this chain. So what I ended up doing was cutting it up top directly in the center, and I had to take out one link to do that. Then I decided to extend the length of it. I'm going to create some wire wrapped beads so that I have a little party in the front and a little party in the back. And these gemstones are so incredibly beautiful and so colorful. So you will have some visibility in the front and along the side of your neck and along the back. So if you wear your hair up or you move your hair around, you'll see some of those beads in the back. So all I did was create wire wrap loop, add the bead, wire wrap the other end, and then keep attaching to the next bead until I had enough beads. And you could do more, you could do less, and frankly, you could do all wire wrap beads with that pendant if you'd like. These beads are really beautiful with this Moroccan chain. So I love the way that this looks. So then I just attached my wire wrap bead strand directly to my chain and decided that looked good, added the other side, and then all I needed to do was add my lobster claw to close it up. So I used a lobster claw on one side, and then I did attach a jump ring. I think it's a 7mm jump ring so that I can attach my lobster claw to that other end. I love the way this came out, so colorful. It really does make me think of fall in the desert. So I hope you like this project. You can find everything to make it at beadaholique.com. And I appreciate you watching. Thanks so much.